Daddy's changing Ina's doorknob.
Althea.
Easier for Ina to open it, right?
It's a good thing I had the spare one.
Yeah.
Well, it wasn't spare originally. We just...
It originally was that circle.
No, ta-ta.
Ta-ta, ta-ta.
Thank you.
And we can reuse that for something.
Look shiny.
Shiny, Daddy, she said. Now it's easy for Ina to open. You see? You see? Wow, good job, Daddy.
Althea, please.
Althea, I got it. Say thank you, Dada. Say thank you, Dada. Is it?
Wait, why is it?
Let's see. Try.
Okay, try and open.
Try and open. Wow!
Okay.
Good job. You okay now? Now she's not afraid to be in this room. Be careful with Sissy. Be careful. Sissy's there. Be careful. Thank you. Now, there. It's easy for you to open and close now. You're not going to be afraid to be in this room because you can open and close now. Wow! Yay! Good job, Ina. Good job. Yeah, where are we going? Where are we going, love?
Come, Mama.
Yeah?
Okay, Mama. Look,